Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to do a little bit of a shout out to ChAmp arcades. And the reason why I'm doing this because I am personally a fanboy. Oh yeah. This guy, to a little bit of an overview what he's doing. He's making this just for fun, for a hobby. He's making this miniature arcade machines, and I'm not talking about the cheap China stuff we can buy for $10. No, he's making this real wooden arcade machines. So I think this guy deserves a shout out. We're going to do a little bit of an overview. He made for us, the Wicked family, a special video. Did some recording of his collection, what he has made. Check it out. I hope you enjoy it. I want to thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wicked Gamer if you're new to the channel. Stay tuned. Alright people, welcome back. I hope you really enjoyed the overview. So now we are going to do a little bit of an overview of the system he have made in the years. So this is the Space Invaders. Keep in mind, so far I understood, all of these cases are handmade from wood. So they are not to be confused with these cheap ass Chinese versions. So the Space Invasion, what I understand from the maker, these are all running on Arduino. So he programmed the Arduinos, configured everything. What I also really love about it is the light up feature of this cabinet. So you can play this old school Space Invaders. And he even made this little app so you can open the coin storage. How cool is that? And for the next little miniature project, I just wanted to show you this mini arcade tabletop. I really love this thing. Back at the 80s and 90s in the arcades, you can sit against your opponent or your buddy and you can play some games together, like Donkey Kong, Pac-Man, and of course a lot of awesome other arcades. But keep in mind, all of what you're seeing here is handmade. So here we have the battery compartment where you can have 4 AA batteries. We're going to put them in. Alright, let's put some batteries in it. Close the cap. I must say, he did a very nice job with this. Even some little rubber spaces between it. And here at the front side we're finding the control panel for playing the game. Alright, let's do a little quick peek at the Space Invaders. He also made a second version. I really love what he did with this. So you have this wooden style. I think he used transparent stickers or something like that. Very nice. I really love it. Alright, the next one of my favorite, the Tetris version. So this is a really nice cabinet. It's more like the same mold he is using for the other version, or that is something that I've noticed. But around what he did with the stickers, it's very nice, very cool. I really love this Tetris layout. And again, I'm a big Tetris fan, so let's give this one a try. What I think is pretty damn awesome, that they even made a special wooden crate for this one, made in Greece. So that is what I think the finishing touch to this. So he's going to do a little bit of an unboxing. If you look, it's fitting in perfectly. And here he is, the mini version of the Tetris. So let's take a close look at the game, of course. It plays only Tetris. I've really no clue what kind of version is on it. Here's going to do a little bit of a demonstration. It's an older version. If you compare this with the bigger version, I really love this one, by the way. It looks really nice, the layout of the Tetris game. But there was something else he made, and this time it's not an arcade machine. No, people, he made this tiny wooden portable system. It's running on the same hardware like all the arcade machines, so he has basically turned it into a portable system. I think it's pretty nice, and I would just stick a pie in it or something else with some more buttons. But overall, you got some Space Invaders on the go. So for the final part, let's do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison with the big Tetris and the smaller one. And wow, this is a big difference. I really love this tiny cute Tetris arcade cabinet he made. I really love it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. There was more like a video collaboration between me and the ChAmp arcade. Check out his YouTube channel. He has more videos of his project and his miniature arcade hall. I think he does a very nice job. You don't see this very often. So shout out to you, guy. I want to thank you for supporting the channel and see you all next time.